A Barbie this. Here I go on. You see the page of Pamputtae I have a write up on. I now use that page there again. You see it? You see this way, you see me talk on live. A number you may use. You hear that? So when you go write and say, I Pamputtae, Barbara bigging up straight like I me write it or I me say it. Nothing like that. You hear that? Because she not use me like she get enough. So she not use me also not use her. So the thing set. Yeah. I don't know what. If she get enough or what, but at the end of the day I saw the thing set. So that page I may use when you hear that. Can have enough more thing for come up, you know. I enjoy myself day and night. Nothing no change. I still me Barbie this same. Alright?
You like Barbie?
Papa them teeth today out there, them could have think to my 14-year-old little granddaughter have go out.
Who name Tina Turner?
Honestly.
I don't see my name, so. I will use an auntie name, so.
Them see them take up people big and I kill them and I rape them.
Oh, let me take a mistake.
So you're not big scrappy, did you don't know?
Yeah, man, people. Loving them. All of my fans, them. But she write up and go next time me and post her. And that's so it go. Come on, no nothing. It's like she don't want me amongst some people, I don't know. Yeah. So the page you delete, so you don't say nothing on the page. If you don't want me, contact the number, I have a page number this, and my original number is 460-1918. Or contact me upon this page number. So I go up on live with, contact me. Yeah. If you wanna like me, contact 999 never mind or 444 fuck them till the end. Big up everybody, Jamaica abroad. Love you always. My name can't change. I'm born with storage, you know me. Shop always having goods on, but you have no good buyer right now. Put a lotion for me. All I think is she get she get microwave me and her go collect it. I know me not get nothing. Me don't know where it gone. Me know she put it at up store it nothing. I know I love my man. I love him to the pain of my heart. I not ask Christ. That's why certain time everybody see me and want a picture, I just give them a photograph, you see it? Because I not blush nobody but I not take a photo with them or whatever. Straight Barbie this. Yeah. Whole Jamaica love. And me for told you know. Whole of foreign love. Canada, New York, Japan, England, Pakistan, everywhere. It's all about me, Barbie. Not fun to soon see me live. See me stand beside her and hear that. Nothing change. Me still the same. Pretty Barbie, phone Barbie this.
Hello? Which part can you reach?
Just style of bad still, no, Barbara.
You can't drive.
One of them say me ever take off my slippers. I must root a baruka. Me and him did on the same flight. So him teach me it. And me for told, you know. Yeah. Him teach me that style like I'm on the same flight I go England. Thank you. Yeah, God bless the whole of man. You hear that? Stand firm. Yeah. Yeah, man. My hairstyle turn up. Always turn up. Remember, say, I properly dolly, you know. Don't hard for look pan, you know. From me, I have a little slim dolly who come out at Christmas. I don't do regular dolly this. I once in a blue moon dolly this, you know. Plug in dolly this, you know. Come out at Christmas. Take a good look. Dreamy eyes. Lay the straight nose. Kiss her little lips. Teeth white. Tongue clean. My eyebrow dead. What they do my face? Them ask me if my nose falls. I have to tell them to test it out. And the beauty spot, if I born with it, I tell him I bought with it. Take a good look, you see it? All about me, man. Slimmatic. Nothing change. And I like one time I did slimming on the bone and push out, you know. Them time I'm going to grow out that. You see it? Yeah. My boss Amber just take me out, do my ear and my nails. I'm if you tell you, no. Yeah. Me check for Pamputtae, but Pamputtae not check for me. All them I say need nothing. Me not get nothing, you see it? I be 8 grand, 6 grand, 5 grand shall give me. I mean if you tell you, no. Me not to watch that, because me I say, I do told me in a roll. But big man thing, me I tell you, no. A serious thing I go on right now. Look at people that pinch me, I tell you something. Big man thing. How that? Yeah. 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 Real Barbie. And tonight you're not going to see me live again. You hear that? Come out prettier than this. Pretty. I mean, if you tell you no, man.
Yo.
By a good youth. Always blessed. And you if you live. Yeah. First time I book him, shower with him. We come take a Barbara from afar. The man said, how do you Pamputtae? What do you mean take a Barbara from me? Something I make you get. I bill her some clothes and make you get it. You see it? Nothing wrong with that. I feel you shouldn't care this so. Because me's for everybody. Don't it? Me's for everybody. Both a yard, both abroad. My body is just like water. I have to share it. Make everybody feel good.
Yeah, you hear me I say? We're not going to come, no. So that may ask you the down of the night, which part not going to be aware of that. Difficult, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you hear me?
My real general, man. Jenna. People, if you come out of my bed and tell me, say, somebody post a microwave to you, may I go up a court go sign it. She'll sign and get it. Then after you go tell me, say, it come out of your phone. You look into that now. And say she check for me. You can't see the check there, so the check bunks. What me say, walk on, you don't talk about the microwave. She say it come out of her phone. She don't know which store to go collect it. I don't know what really I go on. Trust me. I be a girl, she go around me and I come around like me, I play ring a rose. You know, two me time I stop playing them the game there. They have a baseball me, I take them in a light lick. And baseball is something soaking in your skin. You can't take them there. I'm going to say I'm good youth, them say I'm real general. I'm glad all you explain I was wrong for you.
Because the people might wonder what going on with the new page. Them think a fake page.
Explain. I was wondering what happened.
Yeah, they might wonder what happened.
And a big man tell her say she should have take out a bank account for me. That's if anything them are saying on. None here, not you not get no time. People, oh that look. More she come on live you know to and see me. Somebody can WhatsApp her and tell her somebody on live. Yeah. She bad. She better than chicken gun. Look a breeze did blow chicken gun come from St. Thomas coming to Kingston. She bad on it. She bad. Me don't know she bad so.
Cross your dealing. Look raw cross like your office a Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Oh, you know that all of them.
I'm by your head biggie. So God make him couldn't have a small head and a big body. But I look retarded. Me like him so. It fits him body. I like this guy. It's for me. You have a slimmatic and a big baby. This is my teddy bear. Look, take a look. Yeah. All about me and him. Junior reading a song. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them. Foreign mind, but I worry Barbara mine. She know that Dalia dear. I tell you. I know me not get nothing from my brother. People are saying, I want one come meet me one day. And she know me gonna do the ads to the woman. Here right now when the woman give me the two pieces of clothes paper and this thing is here. I could I take it and you don't know, you know. I said, oh, you have to take it and I don't know. So the woman not gonna want me do the ads. The woman not gonna want me do the ads. I don't eat if I go do free ads. And then you start my show, I start my own show. I don't got injury night, but my heart for dead night. I come like Chuck Norris people. Me not swashing nigga with dead and come back. Me a Chuck Norris to get injured and stand up back on my foot.
Nice guy.
That's why I will survive. Cause my heart clean. When you take a good look, teeth white, mind comfortable and clean. For your heart clean, you have to go through in a life. Ask anybody that asks Father God. I don't go hear about him, but I glimpse Jesus one night time. Come in the snow to me, come talk to me. You see this one I do, and I half of my own. A Christ himself come talk to me and say, the people them dying for see you. Them one little blessing more than them born in them bed. And true, sometimes someone and them man, or some man and them woman in eruption, when them see me, the two of them just turn up together and say, come take a look at this baby. And me represent. Pretty Barbie. Pretty Barbie. The way I'm blessed, I want to come home from England, English, and them hold on for me. I said, we're not sending it home. I said, I didn't born here. Excuse me. I like to go home. Them said, no, stay. I said, I'm sorry, but I have to go home. My mom is waiting on me.
Tell them about the China man.
People, what them about one little China man, same like me. You want to give my dance, and suppose that 6 minute game. When me a bubble upon him in Ireland, ask the selector them. Don't go here in my ears. Ang Fonchini, Chini, Gangani, I say, Mr. Chino Aguan. Him juke me on my side and say, I like how you're whining.
Good evening.
Liona! Yeah. Shall come out, yeah. Yeah.
Hold on, somebody say something right just so.
Hey, them not ready yet.
Hey.
What's
This is what we say. Yeah, I'm going to stay humble. This the person I sing on humble. This.
I'm saying?
Yeah, so got it.
Me and him now got it. Me and him now got it.
Come off your level, guy.
Me and him go stay firm like we're up on stage. Yeah, me and him now got it. Once your mind clean, you have to go through. So whatever put up that it now go through. When the boss mind dirty, she can't live herself alone. She have to live for others. Means for others people. Ask anybody, whether in my community or anybody. Me not tight. People have to eat, old people have to eat, young people have to drink. And me if you tell you no, a sub life go, you can't live for yourself alone. And then you want to pick out where you pick out and scratch out and give people. Taylor. Peter gay.
I'm gonna rob them. I can't rob Barbara. I don't have everything I want in life already.
Him carry me in him house. And the king size of me inner. I lie down in him bed. I go to sheet upon him bed. I just roll some one night I think me up a walk garden. Me not stop roll. And look how my body slim. Me just spin over in him bed. And me fi tell you. Me that one if me that dance go and me turn gig. In Bath, me I hear Whitley Houston a sing. Then I just know how long me I hear them song there. When I time him play a sticky one, I start to stick it up. At least him I try remember her. Can't turn back from her, but she I give you bad look. Set up like when we run out for fall. It can't work. A raging storm. You mad? Me Barbie said that. I'm not using that page. So if she trick on eat tricks with a lot of color. A cheese crunches and Bigfoot me like. Me not like tricks. So nobody can trick me so easy. Yeah. I don't like tricks. I like banana chips people. I like cheese crunches. I like Bigfoot. I like little sandwich biscuit. Them I don't like tricks. It's full of purple, green, pink, yellow, white. I don't know where it come from, which country. But I know some tricks in it. That's why I don't like tricks. And I like chance. That's why I give chance. But when I can't pick no big number, I leave it alone because the small balloon them pop up my jawbone. I'm the pan. Nothing can complete. When I tell me think me they're going to pop a children's hospital.
Them say you switch. Tell them say no switch, you switch. Just the people not treat you right. Your manager.
Me not switch. People do not hear me. I say, all I mean switch. When somebody send on something to you and you not get it, all I mean switch. It's not switch. I'm going to ask her in front of me or behind me. How much time I ask her? What about the microwave? Where? I don't forget. And the people them call you and tell us to go call it up at the store. You tell me over the phone. Then she go tell me say she in her deep sleep. And the man should make it come off her phone. All that. Or that just come off her phone and she say everything else. You tell me now?
But see, her brother say, she did say, what is for you is for you and what is for her is for her. So you don't understand how she rob you. How she rob you before where she get up for she or where you get up for you. That means you get your money then.
Look. You see the last ads me do? You see the first one me do? And I stripe tight. She give me 8 grand. I don't know how much a man get because I'm never interested. Because she say I'm in her apart. You see it? I'm never really interested. So she give me the 8 grand. I'm just hold it. She carry me at some local studio with me I get some local 6 grand. What did she carry me over Friends for Real studio? And the boss himself give me 3 grand. True, she said the boss give me 3 grand. I don't remember some me do it. I don't know how much she get. More when I reach a Pamputtae, the sailor man. Like chew me and olive. I tell her I buy some chicken. When she pay for it, she tell me for pay because I'm going to 1,000. She come out her car with it. I don't ask her that. Because I don't lie me and tell. Man, if you tell a lie on a girl, or no man, nobody me need to tell lie on. You hear that? I hope things are reach me, but I not talk. But I just feel to come out now because people have been calling me. And I tell me, say, shall write on it like a me a write. I say, but Pamputtae, Wagwan. Big up Pamputtae, my boss. You don't know some other backlack, if anything, Ray. And I me I write it as she I write it, because I not use that page there again. I not use that page there again. This one I talk on, this number, this I do it. Yeah, or no dial my number.
You know IG page of Barbara _ the Barbie.
460-1918.
Barbara _ the Barbie.
This page name, Barbara _ the Barbie. Yeah. Not over, _ the Barbie. So you know it's a big thing. Loving all people.
So you don't talk to them, you know?
Yeah. Look more before I tune in again. Because I come out now white like nurse.
People don't say enough go over.
Now I drink some for drink some juice. My boss, I'm gonna get some juice out of the fridge. Cause now I'm mouth lip white like powder upon it. This is how my treat me good. Not my boss. Boss a basket, my general. So forget something to drink. Soon come back to him. Just stay tuned. I'll be back in a couple minutes. You get me?
See, we got to look up to them now.
See, you ready for the road? You ready for touch a party?
Yeah, they're ready.
Touch it already. You know I'll go for support.
Like you like sit down pan it slimmers. My style like the style, body not fit for true. You cock up like a bike.
Yeah. I mean, when I'm here, I'm not doing everything there, watch TV.
She put up all her baby on my page and people are comments about it. Or she put up her son. I'm going to have my opinion. I said, no man, allow that. Ask her in front of me and behind me. I said, no man, allow that. I youth that and I love youth. Anybody will know me, man or woman.
Somebody says, so what you're saying, Pamputtae never treat you good.
Them deaf, them not the hearing ears.
Yes. No, sir.
Them not judge her if you have cross
That
question.
bounce to the work.
I get them there.
Bounce.
Them not judge.
So you gone left me?
No, I'm gone if you're man. I'm gone if you're my background woman. I'm father God call me and say,
Want somebody to buy chicken with them.
Transformer?
Want somebody to buy chicken with them.
Again, see?
You want a buck of water?
No, I'm used to that. You have to break yourself in another one. One day, probably you can buy the back of water. I'm going to drink and start when my belly. You have to break yourself.
Yes.
Number 3 I go play now. See everything pretty sure.
Then you take your money and buy this. And I get 19 years later, you never buy it. Oh, you're wicked, so. That's why if you buy a crab, you're going to get crab loads. Because you buy a bad number. What's wrong? You get 19 years later, you never buy
I
it.
said, yeah, the 23. They price.
BBC, yeah.
So when you go buy the chicken for them.
Them say you look like a teddy bear, Barbara.
Ooh.
See that?
Them not, look how teddy bear chubby.
I mean, them say
slim.
look like the teddy bear, man.
Ah.
They say you.
What about that wicked? Then now, come off, you know. Your phone will go to 10,000. People, I love you know. Cause guess what? You spend time when you hug me up, when you feel joy and I feel mice. Cause one thing we do now, we don't smell nothing bad. Cause when I start sneeze, I mean that green arm when I dip on action. I love you know. God bless everybody. Love you know. Soon tune in and go to some more vibes, cause vibes can't stop.
Somebody say take sleep on mat that somebody else come with a bigger money. Them are gonna style it too, so they must have made a style it.
If not a style for style, me kind of stylistic me there. Me not there on where it's at. And the money do this, I love do it. You see money, break friend. And the money do this. Art I love, do it. You see if you love someone, alright, people take a for instance and look on the flowers. Once you love a flowers and plant it, water it every morning, every night, every noon, you see it grooming. You see once your next door neighbor eat you or whoever eat you, and you start treat that flowers bad, look if you don't see it dry up. Just like on the body, when the band not pretty, when I get old and get ugly. And the money do this. A live thing do this. Your heart of love, protection from this. So you hear that? Body can't take money dry me, I'm coming to destroy you.
I really get them word the name of Barbara. I mean them attack, but them not can't jam me up, man.
What kind of money?
Hmm?
What kind of money?
I don't know.
My general now use the money dry me out. Him like me, my body fit him. And anyway, I go, him like the appreciation. Guess what? My general just love the laughing. Say I come up and tell of it, I saw him love it. But she rob me. She want rabbi. And then she want me dead for come at my funeral. She mad.
Yeah, but general take good care of her.
Look how my body cock up more.
Blood clot. Show him and cock it and shake it for them.
I'm like a springtime people. I mean to tell you now. I'm like a springtime.
Yeah.
You can't bother with that paper. Come truth for me. I'm going to show you truth. Come here and show you truth and you hide the facts from me. Why you hide from me? When you come on, man, you not going to say, you don't know me I talk about. Can't hide it from me, and I'm here your part. Me even turn
Them are coming with them negative comments and a girl I say, so why you this her up? And I tell her, them know straight and this her,
this
she
her,
this you up.
that's the picture, because you can't bother. And this thing, you don't understand, not go school. And this thing, it's not a this, and now you may talk and tell them the reality. So when I say me a this, why you call this? What you call this? It's not a this or me a discriminator or a tell lie pan her. Me a tell them the fact on us. That's why I don't like talk to them more time. Shut them off here, man.
Barbara, but when them attack, you have to pay them the mind. When you follow them up, it's like a strength you give them.
Hello?
Yeah. Barbara, God left the other.
To say it's a shot down. Love my life. House on it, house on life. It's yours?
Mine.
Okay.
We don't hear that going on.
Tony, I'm going to buy the chicken for you.
Alright. One bucket of chicken. Taxi shop. That can buy.
Hey, mommy! I that check Jesus, you know, he's still on the whole multitude. And the cock throw 3 times. I know everybody I say, no, someone will never betray me. When you look.
Go over Barbara now, watch your face, man. Give another 5,000 tomorrow. What did they tell them borrow for you? Okay, I'll for search work, I'm going to do it.
So why you give me a favor?
No, man, I'm going to do this. Barbara.
China call Fran. When the phone? When the phone?
Buy a book.
Barbara.
Buy biscuit and soup.
It's a time, sir.
You got the taxi fare? You got $1,000 for your taxi fare now?
Give me about 55.
You able to split that or that?
Go on with her. First get enough ketchup, you know them like ketchup. Then people are doing that foolishness, they matter about to the phone, they don't want to play with them today, and don't consume all them, oh, they are 3 miles.
Barbara, guys, about you. Ready, I know.
It's not them, it's Shania. Shania, plumbing.
It's the curry good. So guys, a bathroom charger. And of course, Barbara, her man, she just attack her mind, because from day she didn't care her talk, so she want to talk her mind on life, you see me? Me and Pamputtae have nothing. Pamputtae a woman, me a man, me have woman strength. All I who look out for be a Barbara go at it, that can't go at. If you take up Barbara for make money for Barbara, I have money already, that can't, like me and Barbara, ask Barbara the amount of clothes. Me right now, Barbara have an iPhone 7 that come from foreign. But they about it. Papa, cut up as beef for me though. So sending some credit, I have credit on my phone. Yeah, over there, madam. Barbara, ready for touch road now.
Mommy, the do want to come on my own carefully, yeah?
You want a spliff? Your service done? Eh? Service from my other phone down to Mongo. Put it up back. You ready, Barbie? You want to drive? Come and drive. You have to drive me. Go on the driver's side, Barbie. Oh, you put on the stuff?
I got me and you drive, yeah? Would you hold the front seat, yeah?
No, hear me say no. The car can't move from right to say if you not drive.
Hi!
Oh.
Worries in the dance, worries tonight.
Come no, my boss, man. You have to pull up in the party or going on.
I don't know which part of the party.
Come in, me direct you, come in. You have the car key, get the car key for me there. You not come around?
No. Goody, going at the front, no goody. You know you're not money quitting, no, going at the front. You make it make
Barbara not follow up nobody, Barbara good over here. Blood
people them not understand.
Them check say ungrateful, but they don't understand say styling get you see me?
It's not ungrateful. You don't understand the thing now? You not hear me say. All you not hear me say I'm not dumb and ungrateful. It's all about she'll get the things them, she'll tell me herself say yeah. Me get them, when me ready for them, me can't get them. Them a come out her phone. All them a come out her phone, so me not understand it. Me not understand it. As when me tell them say, people all the time me say, I put up on my page. Me say, what have to do with me? And ask her that. And me tell her say, make him stay. Because she said she gonna take him off. I say, no, don't take him off. Make him stay because I like him. So how would I be ungrateful? I'm like, tell them no, so I not use a page there. So no one get no more store upon it.
Say, Barbara underscore the Barbie. DIBARBIE.
Right, that page I'm using. Or in contact me upon 460-1918. I now use Pamputtae page, so whatever you send upon it, or whatever you not look for upon it, you're not going to see anything.
Yeah man, I got to go around now man, that's why she attack her mind.
So it's all about, she now can't trick nobody again. Alright, well I'm general, apart from, my general you know, one of my general are foreign. Shout me and say, a girl a call for one my number for send and I think come give me. Oh no, me not get it. The man called me in person himself and say, Barbara, you get ready? I say no. The man say lie me I tell. I say why should I tell lie? If someone go and carry my phone go give some man. And the man must say Ray. I so come the man and believe. The man ignorant and dark. Him say, how comes that? And the girl published the thing right over, so she didn't want to get contact to me. Me not get nothing. So me not tell her upon her for and tell me say, me a turn bad mind. Me not bad mind. I have a good mind, so me tall. My mind tall, so it clean. I have to talk my mind.
On the year she say people.
Enough thing I am, but me just there hold it. Alright. When I ask her what there, when me and her go uptown, I ask her a question like she take me to eat that and I turn and twist me. And she said, oh, you not talk. I just couldn't take it no more. My tears start coming on my eye. And she started to cry too. And I asked her.
But they say if I see the repellent in it.
No man, they did it, so you just come and take care. Barbara, come on, I drive a seat, come drive now. Real man, made out me. Go now, Barbara come drive now, come
hey,
the drive.
Come on, some babes. Come on, say, yeah?
You can't say good night, Barbara?
What you say? A carrot juice and pine juice me drink all the while. Carrot juice and pine juice. I ask you, you see my beef you sent for me? You see my beef you sent for me? I want him now, I'm hungry. I don't mean to talk, I'm call him and say, Ray, he might give me it. My good beer father that. You must say me a sure bad mind.
Where mosquito spray there? Pass the repellent. I'll be a mosquito in it.
Lipstick in your bag? Lipstick in your bag? Red. Tell one of them to use it. Bring the lipstick from the general bed. The boy got to tell me when you lip like.
Looking at the bag, the Gucci bag, she say a red lipstick. She will give a BB look.
Come now.
So I'm gonna try to talk Chinese. A Barbara drive and me a drive.
I'm not talking about that. I'm telling you.
Oh, eh. See,
I'm
repellent there.
drive.
I'll explain things upon my school.
Show it to that.
I don't know Spanish. I
Yeah, drive.
don't know Spanish, so I'm going to the trail line.
Drive.
All of a sudden, Barbara don't want to drive me again. But everything good still.
Come in, Charlie.
No, you're going to immigrant me come out and end up on Sunday.
Yeah.
Are you sit that thing? Yeah.
You can't drive?
Can sit this one?
Are you the party?
My one.
No.
Come in and charge it.
Barbara drive.
Barbara with my lipstick, shall I drive through? Lipstick.
Barbara, go run by in front them.
Barbara, go on now, make Wendy come round.
I'm about month your ball. August?
I'm determined for true.
Are you lying about for you?
Yeah.
Like my little girl.
The 17th and
I
next month.
promise her not no blood clot.
Killer must sit in them, Barbara. One
Shy
see
there.
there? Watch it, lick him now. See him drop there. And belly full.
It's like a lip glass.
Lipstick.
A lipstick.
Good one, that, Barbara. It is. You see that good? Huh?
Yo, Lynn Miller. See the light
Rub
up one.
again.
Light,
You have to rub it one again. Yeah. She love the fucking taste it. Can't do that.
I'm putting up my makeup, people.
Yeah, if you have a makeup and say, see police stop the car, them man tell her to go and because you look like a Barbie.
Me no, police never stopped me yet. Want me give them a nice smile, I'm say go through. Alright. I forgot to say.
Already time, Barbara.
Eh?
Amber, you bad. Come on, man. I'm serious, you know.
Yeah, come drive the Barbara and stop me. I'm stress myself, man.
You know how I do it. You're really serious. Come on, baby.
Barbara, them say if you have a ranking pumpkin.
Yeah, that me tell you.
I joke at that them say I need to sit around.
No, them need to say, come here, ranking punky. You me chat like Chinese.
Start at the car now. Oh, you have to take off yourself as you drive.
Okay, me never take off more.
Alright, man.
At airport, this is my dad.
Start the car now.
Put the foot on the brake.
The foot on the brake.
Hold on. Let it
Yeah.
put the foot on the brake and just touch it and let it go one time.
It's different here.
Yeah? Eh? Miss Andrea? Oh.
It can turn good.
Tell mommy say she looking at my
I don't
purse.
care, taking it.
It's the paper.
You're going to use, I can't drive in a minute.
When make Phoebe them meet, come when she come for you. Yeah?
Stop.
Alright,
Let's
alright.
go back on now.
Half hour.
Let me say you drive though, so they have to talk to your dice.
Fix she.
Hmm?
Fix she.
What did? Well,
No time for she. If you look out for patrol car, Barbara was small.
you used to have a son of B13?
Everything I like you, Ramajan.
I lied. No, somebody said, I remember you have it.
Up, right?
Left. Go left.
Barbara, good at all.
Oh, yeah, deep though.
A Barbara one?
Pothole.
Pothole.
Barbara was small.
Are you always a piece?
No, we. I mean, the whole bigger piece. No, we. Knock him back, then choke. Turn, go straight.
Go straight.
It's okay. Let me from